Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Okay, in today's video we are going to do a look using the Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Mattes. So they have some really pretty rainbow colors in this palette. Affordable, the colors are pretty. So let's see how pigmented they are. Let's give it a little whirl. See what I can come up with. Of course, I did my face already. Got that out of the way. I'm going to dip into this really pretty yellow, this bright yellow, and I'll place it in my inner corner. Come on, pigment. So I'm just packing it. That's all I'm doing. And once I place it, I will blend it. But right now, I'm just trying to get the colors on here for right now. Of where I want them. Next, I'm going to dip into the red shade. And I kind of want all the colors to show, so I'm probably going to extend it a little bit further out. This pink, like I'm going all in a row, y'all, just all in a row. I'll extend this pink out, if you can see it. And get them all placed on there and packed on there really good. I'll start blending, but right now I'm just building the colors up. I know it looks crazy right now, but when I clean it up, it'll look better. Going for this rainbow look today, y'all. And here in a minute, I'll blend it all out. And of course, these palettes, they're affordable, very affordable, where it's not too pricey, where you can't get it. You just gotta run to an Ulta store. That's all you have to do. Blend it out. I just don't want no harsh lines. Y'all see what I'm doing in a minute. I just wish the colors were more pigmented, because they're not bright like I wanted them to be. And I'm just packing it on here, y'all. Trying to pack it. I'm just blending it with no product or anything like that. It's not really bright how I want it to be. Next, I'm going to take the JH41 and I'm going to use this white in this palette. I'm going to place it on top of that concealer. I'm just kind of setting it right now. Like I said, y'all, this is going to take some time. You gotta have patience to do these kind of looks, that's all I'm saying. I'm just blending. Alright, I'm gonna take a JH42 and I'm dipping into this purple. I'm just mixing the two purples together because I want it darker on my outer V. And after you, like I said, after you get them down, you want to blend them. So we going rainbow today, y'all. We just straight up rainbow in this shit. Take this darker blue, go right here. This smaller definer brush, and I'm gonna go into this light shade pink in this palette. I'm blending the shades together. Okay, so I need something sparkly right here. And I want it sharper, so of course I'm gonna clean it up with concealer. But I want something sparkly, I just don't know. Let me go and clean it up with the concealer first. Now that I have like an angle going on, like a all right, you guys. So I finally have this finished. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye right quick and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so one hand done the other eye. Let me go ahead and get my mascara on. Definitely y'all should do the eyes first before y'all do the face because I done effed up. So yeah, you wanna do your eyes first. So I'm using It mascara, Superhero, and Super Black. This is Caramel Kiss. What is this? CoverGirl. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I wanted to do a rainbow color with this using the Revolution Reloaded. The mattes are really pretty. It wasn't pigmented like I wanted it to be, but you can spray it and it'll work. I make shit work. That's what you have to do as a mom. You have to make it work. So yeah, here's the colors. It's a palette. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time.